Hey everyone, I'm Mark de Grasse, and I'm the founder of the AI Branding Academy and former president of digitalmarketer.com. So, what I'm going to be talking about is how to use AI to essentially build the best brand that you've ever had, the most human brand that you've ever had. Now, you might say that AI that actually makes it less human, but what I've actually found through all the years of business that I've had is that the vision of the owner usually gets lost somewhere around the second day when the business plan is done, when the about page is up. Now you have the branding and you don't really think about it anymore. But this is the enormous lost opportunity to essentially propagate your vision and your message. And essentially, you're just assigning it to everybody else in your company. So, what I'm going to teach you is how AI branding actually centralizes all of these branding decisions, which actually will impact not just your marketing, not just your branding, but all of your operations, and use it to create the most powerful brand you've ever had.